Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is, why do corruption exist here? Why do people become corrupted? Corruption indicates that people are inwardly poor. Corruption is the absence of self-knowledge. Why it becomes very difficult to tackle the phenomenon called corruption? Because it is a mental phenomenon. We generally think that people are corrupted because of outside things, but it is part of our mental process, thought process. When we are not aware of our own thought process, we tend to become corrupted. Corruption exists for everywhere the self is given importance. Others are treated as secondary. All the others are created for the self only. Again, human beings are born to have more and more. Human beings need the basic necessities of life. It appears that we are interested to fulfill the basic necessities of life. But in no society, all the basic necessities have been fulfilled. So it is very clear that man is not concerned about fulfilling the basic needs. Then what for he is born? He is born to fulfill his psychological needs. His psychological needs are infinite. Mind has enough demands. One cannot fulfill all the demands of the mind. That's why Buddha has told that suffering is due to the desires. We have enormous number of desires. We don't have any control over our desires because desires are part of our own thought process. When the self is given the utmost importance, desires are appreciated. So people think that they are born for to fulfill their desires. They don't consider the other fellow human beings as their own brothers and sisters. They don't want to live a holistic life. They want to lead a separate life, an individual life. So it becomes very difficult to tackle corruption. Again, for a human being, it is very common that he or she is self-centered. Now, how to tackle self-centeredness? It also becomes very important. We are born to be self-centered. We are not taught about self-knowledge. We are taught about knowledge other than the self. Nowhere it is taught that self is what is self. We are unaware of the self. Hence, inner poverty is born. We want to be rich outwardly, but remain inwardly poor. That is the dilemma. Since we don't have any understanding about life, corruption is born. We are wasting our time and energy to tackle this phenomenon called corruption. Now, in modern societies, it is very much prevalent. we talk more about corruption, but to solve the problem becomes very difficult. That's why we always emphasize that spiritual wisdom is needed. What is spiritual wisdom? Spiritual wisdom is common to each and all human beings. One who has spiritual wisdom understands himself or herself. Not only understanding himself or herself, he will be ready to understand the whole existence. He treats all the human beings equal. So equality is in him. He knows what is what. He accepts life as it is. He has the courage to face life. It is very easy for him to face the realities of life. A corrupted mind feels inwardly insecure. It is because somebody is feeling insecure, he or she becomes corrupted. So it becomes very difficult to tackle this phenomenon called corruption. Spiritual wisdom is for all goodness. When all goodness is born, people will be free from corruption. So self-knowledge is the only way to tackle this problem. For that, a meditative mind is very much needed. Meditative mind is very simple and natural. If we observe our day-to-day life, we become meditative. So by having a meditative mind, this problem known as corruption can be tackled very easily. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.